In this video, I'm going to give you a clear introduction on comparing. How do we compare numbers? Well, comparing simply means trying to find which number is larger, smaller, or in some cases, they might be equal. Now, let's look at these terms. They are very important because each of these meanings have a symbol. The first one is greater than, and the symbol for greater than is this one. The symbol for less than is this one. As you see, greater than is pointing towards the right and less than is pointing towards the left. For equal, it's two lines. Greater than or equal to will be this symbol, and less than or equal to will be this symbol. Now, many students confuse greater than and less than. Think of it as a mouth opening and trying to eat the big number. This is your hint. Now let's look at two examples. Let's compare 7 and 3. Which is bigger? Let's use a number line to understand how numbers are compared. So on the number line, let's locate number 7 and let's locate number 3. Now 3 is closest to 0. So if the number is closer to 0, it means that it is smaller whenever you compare numbers on the right side of the number line. So that means that 7 is greater than 3. Now, if you want to do this mentally, think of it as a mouth opening and trying to eat the big number. Now, let's look at our next example. Let's locate 2, and next, let's locate 5. As you see, 2 is smaller than 5. That's because 2 is closest to 0 and they are on the right side of the number line. So 2 will be less than 5. Now that you understand comparing numbers, let's try these examples. Between 45 and 54, let's compare these numbers. Well, 45 would be less than 54, so you should write this symbol. Now compare 1,000 and 999. Well, 1,000 has 1, 2, 3, 4 place values, and 999 has 1, 2, 3 place values. So the more place values a number has, the bigger the number is. So 1,000 is greater than 999. For the next example, we have 87 and 87. Well, these two numbers are equal, so 87 is equal to 87. The next example, we have 6,421 and 6,412. So your hints here are 21 and 12. So obviously 6,421 is greater than 6,412. For the final example, we have 302 and 320. Well, 302 is less than 320. Now, if this video helps you, remember to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next lesson.